Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Eric and today I'm currently in a place called Lake Gentry. A little windy today, but I believe it's going to be a nice little kayaking place because today I'm going to be doing the water review of the Saturn's IK365 Budget Inflatable Kayak. Currently have the chair right there. Got a small little fishing rod right there. Got my bag over there. I'm going to grab my paddle. Without any further ado, I'm gonna get right on it. Let's see how this thing performs in the water. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get in the kayak. Let's see, let me arrange the seat a little better. Now I know for certain that the kayak's gonna get a little dirty. Other than that, I think we're gonna be a-okay. Let me go ahead and move this out of the way. My feet are getting wet. It feels weird. I rarely get to be on kayak, you see? So, this is a cool opportunity, I think. Let me just try something new. Alright. I mean, I've been to kayaks before, but, you know. Let's see how this thing performs. Let me get myself comfortable. Yep, I think I am comfy. This is good news. Here we go. I knew it. This thing will track well. I had a feeling it would. Look at me go. I'm a kayaker, everybody. That is quite nice. Yeah, it's a little windy today, so the water might be a little choppy. I'm gonna see if I can reach it out to the lake and see how it goes. You know, that sort of thing. Well, this ain't too bad. Look at me go. I'm a kayaker. But this is quite delightful. Let me see if I can arrange my seat a little bit better so I can sit back. There it is. I'm much comfortable now. This little seat that supposed to go same with the kayak has a cushion. It actually does help keep your bum comfortable. This is a nice low center of gravity, sitting semi-tall on the kayak. Doesn't let my arms get too tired either. Nice tracking. Tracks well. That's always good news. Yeah. Well, this ain't too bad. This ain't bad at all. I think I'm enjoying myself. Let's go this way. I want to find a spot where I could shoot the drone so the drone can follow me while on the kayak. I'm gonna see if I can pull that off. You know, there was somebody who asked me on the what's the word? On the unboxing setup video to see if I could stand up on the kayak, and I told him straight up, I don't think I'm gonna try that. No. I don't think I will. No. I don't think I'm gonna stand up on this kayak. This is not a stand-up paddleboard. This is just a kayak. Wind is picking up. Yep. I hope I can shoot the drone. I would like you guys to see it. You know, I bet this thing will be much better with one of those beach chairs. Oh yeah, this thing will be much better with one of those beach chairs. 100%. All right, let me arrange the seat a little better here. Oh, yeah, that's better. Here we go. See? In a spot like this, right? Go ahead and grab your fishing rod, right? This will be a nice spot to fish. If I can get it out. There it goes. Hey? The wind is taking me a little bit. Oh, I got something. Did I catch something? Yeah, I think I got something. No, it's a bunch of weed. I caught a bunch of weed. Oh, that was funny. All right, so let's see if I can find a spot where I can shoot the drone. Gosh, I hope I can. If not, I'll just go towards the lake and let you guys see the kayak in motion. Let's see. Okay, there we go. See, in here it's not too windy. I'm being covered by some of the bushes. Yeah. I think this will do. All right, time for the drone. Let's see how this looks with the drone. Okay. All right, buddy. Hang in there. Da, 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 da. Ugh. Okay. This is gonna be interesting to see if I pull it off. I should be able to. Not too windy right here, so that's good. Let's see if I can pull it off. Let me move myself out of here real quick. You know, I gotta be honest, this thing does a good job of collecting the water and putting it into the drainage area. That is actually quite cool. I like that very much. Alrighty. Okay, I think
home point updated.
We are ready to go. Okay, let's see how I do this without it hitting me. You know what I'm saying? Okay, pulled it off. Picture time. All right, well, here we go. Excellent. This is quite nice. It really is. This is quite delightful. As you guys can see on the screen, I have the drone shot on the corner and me kayaking, so you guys can see it live. Oh man, this is nice, man. Oh, it's a little choppy right now. Yeah. And if you happen to have spotted a school of fish, you go right here, pick a spot, and you can fish. See if I can have a better throw. That's a much better throw. I think something's biting. Something's biting. Oh, what? Come on, come on, come on. No, they're just nibbling. Oh well, they're just nibbling. All right, let's see if I can reach the lake. Here we go. Looks a little choppy. I am assuming that, let's say, what's the word I'm looking for? You're going to the beach in the Bay Area and it's a little windy. The way this thing is designed is you're going to get wet. No doubt about that. Now, if you go towards like a river runs here in Florida, we have like the Silver River, Rainbow River. We have quite a few rivers. The Econ River. Things might be a little bit different in those scenarios, but other than that, yeah. Yeah. I want to reach the kayak. I mean the lake itself. I do not want to end this video until I reach the lake. But so far, this thing has been comfortable, man. It gives me confidence. I like it. I like it. Obviously, if you're tackling a bunch of a bunch of waves, there's a chance you might get knocked out. But hey, that's part of life. See, water's starting to pick up right now. Yep. Oh yeah, it's choppy now. It's really choppy now. I am getting wet. I mean, what's an adventure without getting wet? That came out wrong. That came out really wrong. This is so cool. I'm kayaking, everybody. Me, an inflatable boats guy who's always using inflatable boats, is hanging around a kayak. Hell froze over. Woo! All right. I'm starting to get wet now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, waters are getting choppy now. Here we go. Yep. Yep. I gotta be honest. I'm not gonna lie to you people. I love you. I don't want to lose my drone. So I'm gonna go back, right, pick a spot where I am able to handle the swells and the wake a little better. And what's the word I'm looking for? And catch my drone. Oh goodness. I know, Lola. Fly with caution. It's on auto mode anyway. Oh yeah, wind is picking up quick. Woo! Ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba. Huh? I like the way it tracks. I'm not gonna lie. Those big fins. Oh man, those big fins do the trick. No doubt about that. I think this is gonna be like a 10-minute, 15-minute video, I think. Yeah. Because I want you guys to see it, in action. That's the point of the whole deal. I'm gonna go back the spot I went to where I took off the drone, where I took off. I should be able to capture it then. What is so cold? It's so cold today. Alrighty. Whew. Paddles work pretty good actually. They do the job. Is it fancy? Heck no. It does the job. Okay, I reached the spot. Okay, I think this will be a good spot to catch the drone. One last picture. One last picture. All right, come to Papa. I gotta be honest, I was nervous because I know I will be able to shoot the drone from the kayak, but that alone speaks volumes of how stable this thing is. This is good. Like I was confident enough to go ahead and take the risk. I mean, these drones are not cheap, you see. So I have to take calculated risks, and this was a calculated risk because the kayak was stable, and I'm grateful for that. All right. Okay, guys, let me see. I'm still recording. Yes, I am. With that, I want to conclude this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys are looking for a budget inflatable kayak, this will serve the purpose just fine. Expect to get a little bit wet on windy days, but that's to be expected on any water vessel if you think about it. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Later.